Hello, my friends. I'm coming at you from TK Maxx. I came for the first time over the weekend to do my first little spooky mooch around. I didn't bring the camera with me. I was in deep regret because there were so many blooming lovely things. So I've come back into town now and we're just going to share it together, see all the little things that they have here because there's so many things to look at. Are you ready? I mean, first of all, over in this spooky blanket section, I saw so many nice ones at the at the Fradden store. That feels incredible. It's like bats, 19.99 on that. That's going to be for someone. Yeah, I saw so many lovely ones at the Fradden store, so I thought I'd pop in and see what they got in my local. This one here, I saw that in Fradden actually. That was 14.99, which I thought was a bargain. It's so cute. Look at the little ghosts on there, or the vintage, like a floral as well. Bit of a nice kind of like horoscopy astrology one there. I can't believe it's spooky season. It's almost here. And yeah, TK Maxx is in full swing. I'm not enjoying how they're on these little things without the hooks. I'm always pulling them off every single time. This one here looks cool. Oh gosh, see what I mean? What's on it? Are they pumpkins? Or are they pumpkin tops? I'm confused. Oh, maybe they're broomsticks. I don't know. What are they? Or pitchforks? I actually don't know what they are. That one, not so cute, but I love like the little near texture ones. What's this one? A little fortune teller babe. Oh, I get so excited. Look at these. Oh, so cute. I mean, if you're a spooky girly all around, then this is your time of year, isn't it? Really, let's face it. Ghost. I'm actually in the middle of doing a DIY that I saw on, I think it was like Pinterest or something, but I'm adapting it with some items that I have, making some of these ghosts, because these ghosts are absolutely everywhere this year. Look at all devil horns. Don't know how much they actually cost, but like I said, I'm your DIY mine. £5.99. Oh look, and it lights up. That's a lot cheaper than what I thought it would be, to be honest. We've got cushions. This girly with a bow on her head. I suppose some parents would buy that for their kids and maybe have it on like a toddler's bed or something. That's what I would do if I was rich. I'd be buying up all the ghosts. Look at the eyelashes. This little ghosty here. 19 euros. So it's probably about £16 or something on that bad boy. What pumpkin one. Almost looks like it's like fake cross stitched actually. So Martha Stewart furry ghosts for £20. Pack of 2 of those. Look at his little face, kind of reminds me of Oogie Boogie. Now, me personally, I am having a homemade Halloween this year, but it is always fun to look at what they have in store, get some inspo. Loving that, actually. That's really nice and pretty, that is, isn't it? Oh, gorgeous. A nice candle. I think ones like this are about £12, aren't they? Oh, be careful, be careful. What is the price? Oh, £10. See, that's really good. I think that's really, really nice. Again, I'm loving the simplicity of these little ghosts. £3.99. What a steal. You would spend more on actual craft supplies for that, wouldn't you? Look at that. It's almost like a dresser mirror, but with ghosties on. Again, I like it. Cushions. Tell you one that's catching my eye here is this one. It's a set of 2. Look. Looks nice. It feels like quite thin, almost like a cheesecloth or something. £29.99 on those, but again, very nice, and it does feel nice and squishy with the insert. I'm in my element. Look at these little girls. They're so cute. Oh, that one's more like one of those really soft furs. I was expecting that to be like textured like tapestry as well. How much are those ones? Oh, there's the tag. Nope. It's about it's a treasure hunt for labels in TK Maxx, isn't it? Like they have different prices on to show the fake RRP, and then yeah, how much are they then? Oh, this one's got one. £19.99 for the set of 2. This one is £24 for the one. Look at the texture on that, and it's got little beads and stuff. That's cool actually. But yeah, £25 for that one. Oh, look at the graphics on that. Stop it. Is that Halloween Town? That's Halloween Town, isn't it? Look, it's got the town hall, the big pumpkin. It's got the taxi. It's a Halloween Town cushion. £19.99. Oh, I would have been all over that if I wasn't trying to cut that myself. Oh, stop. Look, this is an accurate representation of right now, isn't it? We've got the summer straws and then a little check pumpkin. That's lovely. Not seen that one yet this year. That's really nice, actually. How much is that? $14.99. How gorgeous and like country kind of Halloweeny autumn is that? Love. That's my favourite one I've seen so far. But I've got a new favourite cushion. This one here. Very country Halloween as well, like country cottage. How beautiful is that? It's almost like, again, a thick kind of like Hessian almost weave on that. Just a little bit of detailing on. And $16.99 for that one. That's really lovely. Got a stand of glass pumpkins. I have a few glass pumpkins in my collection, but I don't really use them. And I've got to be honest, they do kind of get in the way. Look at that. It's a mossy snail with mushrooms on. I like this one. Almost like a little willow pumpkin. $9.99 for that one. I think that's really nice, actually. It's got little spirally, springy bits and some pine cones. That's cool, isn't it? I do like that. Don't need any more pumpkins, Chelsey. Got a frog in a cloche. Still obsessed with that snail, though. I think that's kind of a vibe. I don't think Tommy will be pleased about me bringing that home, but I do like it. Oh, mugs. Oh, look, they've got that little bear one. Lots of people have been sharing that on Instagram, actually. It's not for me. I'm not really a teddy bear type girly. I think lots of teddy bears came out with the kind of Ralph Lauren kind of thing, didn't they? But there it is, the little teddy bear mug, and that is $5.99. It does feel very like thin, if you know what I mean. You know when ceramics feel quite thin and they're gonna break, that does feel like that. Oh, look how cute that is. A little glass mug with a goose. Oh, I don't like their smiles. I think they'd look cuter without the mouth, but it's nice. Especially if you like iced coffee. Again, I'm not an iced coffee fan. I think iced coffee, to me, I know this sounds silly. Yeah, I always feel like iced coffee, it seems like the liquid inside is too thin. Look at this that I've just found. It's a glass mug, but it has a little sheep inside. Look at his little eyeballs. That is bringing me a lot of joy. I'm here to look at Halloween, but that is so cute. Like, look at it. Why is no one buying this? People are buying that teddy bear in a pumpkin, but no one's buying this. I don't need it. I don't need either of them, but that's my favourite. Oh, I love it. Yeah, so what it was that I thought that I would look in here for today was, the other day, like I said, I went to TK Maxx and I went to the Fradden one, and they had an apron. You know how they have all their cool like aprons and stuff. They had one with actual pumpkin people on. So they were like, you know, the dolls and stuff that I make. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Love that. Yeah, they had one with actual pumpkin people. They had this one too, and I was almost tempted to buy that. I don't need an apron. I'm not a baker. But I did say to Tommy, like, I like to do a lot of crafts and I ruin a lot of my clothes. So imagine if I got into aprons. That would be pretty fun. But yeah, they had an apron with these little pumpkin people, and I just know that they are supposed to have matching tea towels to it. You know how like TK Maxx usually do the matching tea towels and then the oven gloves and the aprons and stuff. So I was like, I've got to keep an eye on. Oh, it's Halloween Winnie the Pooh there. How cute is that? Oh, I actually love that. That's so cute. If I had kids, I would be all over that. I feel like my sister should buy that for her trailer. Oh, that's so adorable. What was I doing? Yeah, so I'm looking for the details recently. Oh, look, Winnie the Pooh there again. Yeah, that's so nostalgic to me. How much are they? $6.99 for two. Love that. These are gorgeous as well, aren't they? You're doing a bit of a classy autumn, the Ralph Lauren. $7.99 on them. Yeah, look, here's the matching little mitts, and then often you can get the full set. And I've seen the pumpkin people now, and I want the pumpkin people tea towels because I use the tea towels a lot, but yeah, not successful. Something else I always do keep an eye on for in TK Maxx is all of their tissue papers, because you can like do decoupage and stuff on them. Sometimes you get like Kath Kitson and Emma Bridgewater and stuff. A cute little lemon one. And instead of using them for actual gifts, like I said, you can just decoupage for them. Like really, really good prices. These here are, well, let's get this one. It's easier to grab. $1.99. Look at that. You can have little party guinea pigs on something, like think a frame or something. Just, I don't know, I just think it's a great way to get cheap papers. It was a lovely gift bag. Not for me today though. Let's keep looking. Gorgeous stationery bits. Look at that. It's a nice little, what would you call that? Trinket tray or something? Oh, look at these tins. Like tins for, I assume, pens? Cute. More little bits of Halloween here. Look at them. This is Halloween. That goes down there. Very spooky. Don't love him, but do love these little cutie patooties. Little sweeties. Paper banners. Oh, that one's cool. It's very vintage style, isn't it? Party banners. Happy Halloween. Retro Halloween banner. So, $3.99. It's just got all of these little guys. I don't like their smoking pipes. They're very gentlemanly. Not quite a fan of that. I feel like, again, they've gone and done like almost like a Joanna Parker one. And this one here reminds me, is it the brand Merry Merry? But that's kind of like a dupe of that one. So that one looks like, yeah, look, it's like the Merry Merry one, but it is only $3.99. It's cute. And here, glow in the dark party banners. These are very much like 90s Halloween, aren't they? That one back there again, just like the Merry Merry one. That's kind of cool actually, the vibe of that. A hanging pumpkin backdrop. This is cool if you're doing like Halloween style videos or something. Like an act to have a backdrop. I used to do backdrops all the time for when I did my other YouTube channel. I don't do them so much anymore, of course, but that's nice. And little felt number. They're white pumpkins though. I made one year and someone rightly said that it looks like a garlic garland. I was like, you know what? That is correct. Nice wicker pumpkin. It's kind of a funny shape, almost it's like a flower. $19.99. Again, more banners down here in like the napkin-y section. Got this one again, very Joanna Parker, like 90s nostalgic kind of pumpkin inspired pumpkins and cats. $3.99. This one, a little wooden one, but little wooden outlines. You could easily make that, couldn't you? $3.99 though, already done. We'll like that. Oh, look at these window decals, glow in the dark. That's cool. Oh, stop! These are adorable. Got the placemat there. Oh, little crackers back there. And something else you can decoupage with are tissue. So got little pumpkins with the bows. So they're sweet. $2.49 of that bag. Little ghosties. What's that one? Spell book with the magic spells. I wish I had Halloween parties. Is that an England football one? Almost like a World Cup one. This one is like coffees. Bonjour. This is nice. Look at that. A pumpkin butter dish. I've never used a butter dish in my life, but if I did, I'd use one that looks like that. And that is also absolutely lovely. How country kitchen is that? Very autumn inspired. Oh, lovely. Don't know how much that is. See on the bottom. $12.99. What a steal that is. $12.99. That's actually like the bargain of the day. They've got a few in here actually. Little plates back there. They're not like actual Halloween, but they are very autumny, aren't they? Very nice. $7.99 for a pack of 4. Nice. Oh no. Okay, that absolutely stinks. Pecan pie. I'd love a pecan pie right now. This one smells quite nice actually. $4.49. These used to be $2.99, and come Christmas time they used to do like sets of them, so you would get like a set of like 9 of them in a box, and I always used to look out for that because it used to be really good kind of price. Look at that one. It's always like Halloween book, Sleepy Hollow, Dracula, and Dr. Draco and Mr. Hyde. That's really cool. I like that one for the spooky lovers. Oh no, look at that. A glass spider. I don't think Tommy would very much be appreciative of that. Oh, it's heavy. $7.99. That's a lot of legs looking at you, isn't it? Another one of those giant ones. The honey pumpkin. I actually really like the honey pumpkin. We've got the sand and fog pumpkin spice with the wooden lid and the nice little pumpkin bit on there. The ones I'm liking this year are these. Really, really like these. I suppose they have a dual purpose. You've got the candle in there, and then you can obviously use it afterwards as a little pot too, can you? Look how nice that is, though. And the other one was £10 before. See if I can lift this. That was also £10. Oh, it's got a little bit of floral detail on there, so I just really, really like that. Oh, look, just noticed the pumpkins have gone. Someone's stolen the pumpkins probably, or either that or they've fallen off and then, yeah, I reckon somebody's stolen them because they're very nice. Little, I think they're plastic. They're very nice little pumpkins. Okay, next time you're in TK Maxx, give these two a smell. Apple honey butter, marshmallow cherry. Very, very nice on both of those. Again, the DW Home ones at that sort of size and £4.49. Sad. They did definitely used to be £2.99, like I'm saying, but you know, everything's gone up, hasn't it? But those, they're very nice. Give them a sniff and think of me. It's got a leather top. I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of got a leather sandal on. Little bit of ghost star. I feel like we should all be making our own art like this instead of the TK Maxx AI art, but you know, it might have a little gap for someone if you don't fancy DIYing. The Saturday evening pros £14.99, and then the little ones are £9.99 on there. I think very easily done with a charity shop. What do you call it? Like a frame. This here is really, really kind of catching my attention. That really grosses me out. It kind of looks like gum, but like folded over like a really big bit of chewing gum or something. Oh, that's so gross. It almost looks a bit fleshy. How horrible is that? I hate that. Oh, a little ghost tea light holder. I got on a few years ago. Was it Home Bargains maybe, or B&M or something? I remember it was only like £2.99 or something like that, but I like the faces on it. I'll show you it when I get out my my Halloween decor box. How much they? £7.99. I'm pretty sure mine was less, but yeah, I'm not a fan of the faces on those. I'm always picky when it comes to actual faces on ghosts. Like, I just like two little eyeballs, which is why I think I like these ones. Oh, 3 packs of pumpkins. Lots of pumpkins in at the moment. So if you're in the need for a pumpkin, as always, TK Maxx has got your back. Oh, a vanilla pumpkin. What's that? £4.49 again? I should have known, but I do love that. Last little section that I'm going to look in now is the syrups. Do you know what? I don't know if it's just me, or are all the syrups in TK Maxx sugar-free? Because even though I do have type 1 diabetes and I should probably have less sugar in my life, I do like a full sugar syrup because I'm like, sugar or syrup should be sugar. But every time I come, it's just sugar-free. And I'm like, am I missing something? Or am I just not looking hard enough or something? Or is it just like the sugar-free ones get left? Like, what's this one? I don't see the word sugar-free on this one. But yeah, look, sugar-free. I don't know, it often confuses me, and I'm actually out of syrup as of this morning. I've used up a whole litre of pumpkin spice syrup, which I know in itself is a little bit early, but it's a girl to do, you know. So that's that. That's all they've got out at the moment. I'm going to order myself some hazelnut syrup online, actually, full sugar syrup. With all that being said, though, I am going to go. So hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you very soon for another one.